So last month, Luma released their new Ray 2 model. Now at that time, you could only use it for text to video generations, and the results were mind-blowing to say the least. Well, now we can use Ray 2 for image to video generations. So this is kind of a big deal because when Luma got released in the middle of last year, they were known for having the best image to video generation model at the time. I'd say they held the crown for about a week or two, and then Kling released their model. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It's February 2025. Let's have a look at how good the new Ray 2 image to video model is. So let's do a quick example now for anyone that hasn't used Luma in the past. So these are boards. These are individual sessions from your previous generations. To start a new board, we just want to click here. So you want to just click down here, which gives you the option to upload an image. Let's go with this one. Now on the bottom right here, you will see that Ray 2 is already selected. So when you click onto that, you'll see the previous Ray 1.6 model. Now keep in mind, you do have the option to generate videos in 1080p. Another thing to consider is that 10-second generations are not available. It's only for text to video generations. Anyway, let's click enter and see how good the result came out. All right, so here are the 2 generations that were completed. And I don't know about you guys, let's click into these and have a closer look. Have a look at the wind on the back of his hood and the wind on the map. This is absolutely mind-blowing. Like, let's click, let me show the next one. Okay, the next one's not as good, but this one here, oh my God, this is brilliant. Now let's have a look at how well it maintains character consistency. First, I generated a bunch of images of myself and added some prompt instructions. Here are the results. So from those results, you can see that the model does a great job in maintaining that character appearance throughout the generation. Now let's have a look at how well the model does with emotions and facial expressions. So to demonstrate this, I generated a close-up image of characters with no expression on their faces. I thought this would be a good opportunity to also do a bit of a comparison with the 1.6 Luma model and Halu's Minimax. Anyway, here are the results. Now it's time to see how well the camera features work. For those of you who don't know or don't remember, if you write camera in the prompt section, you'll have a bunch of preset camera options to select. Anyway, here's a bunch of examples using those camera presets. So those examples were great, but just from my testing, guys, I can say that it was very inconsistent. And at times I'd say go left and it was going right. So just an FYI. All right. And lastly, I just did a bunch of random generations and I didn't include any prompt. I just want to see how well the model did. Have a look at these. So what are my final thoughts of Luma's Ray 2 image to video model? It's definitely a significant improvement from their previous 1.6 model. So hats off to them for being able to release this. But as I said in my previous Luma video, we need to start seeing actual features being released by Luma. Lip sync feature and subject reference features, these are a must, especially for film creators. Look, Luma have built the foundation. I really like their user interface. I really like their apps, but we now need to start seeing them expand on this. Regardless, however, this is another win for Luma. I will give it to them. Anyway, guys, I'll leave it there and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.